Yes, a worked example with ln, spot the pattern and you're good. You can see here the combination of a u part and a v part. That means basically we need the product rule for differentiation. And the approach is then f prime of x, u prime times v plus u times v prime. And when we differentiate v, there we have a chain rule. We start with the derivative of u 20 times x. X squared is 40x. The v part is carried over. 1 minus x plus u is carried over. 20 times 20x squared. And now the derivative of ln of 1 minus x, the derivative of ln is 1 over what's inside the ln, 1 minus x. 1 multiplied by the derivative of the inner function, which is 1 minus x, and the derivative of 1 minus x, the 1 drops out. And here we would have minus 1 times x, which means the derivative is minus 1, so once again minus 1. At this point, we can bring something forward. I'll take out the x and a 20. That means 20x. What's left is 2 times ln of 1 minus x 20x has been taken out. What's left is x times minus 1. In the numerator, we would then have minus x over 1 minus x. That would be the first derivative. For this case, as the math term says, danger averted. And if you do enough practice problems, you should be able to handle the special logarithm function, the natural logarithm function, and its variations pretty easily.